This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Binance and Trust Wallet. First, understand that Binance is a major platform for buying, selling, and trading various cryptocurrencies. Trust Wallet, on the other hand, is a non-custodial mobile wallet where you control your private keys. Using them together allows you to trade on Binance and then securely store your assets in Trust Wallet, giving you full ownership and peace of mind. To begin, you'll need to fund your Binance account. You can deposit fiat currency, like US dollars, via bank transfer or credit card, or transfer existing crypto from another wallet. Once funded, head to the Buy Crypto section. Here, you can select your desired cryptocurrency, such as Bitcoin or Ethereum, and complete your purchase with just a few clicks. It's a straightforward process. After purchasing crypto on Binance, you might want to move it to your Trust Wallet for enhanced security. Open your Trust Wallet, find the cryptocurrency you wish to receive, and copy its unique deposit address. Then, go to Binance, select Withdraw, choose the same cryptocurrency, paste the Trust Wallet address, and specify the amount. Always double-check the network to ensure a smooth transfer. With your assets in Trust Wallet, you have full control. You can easily view your balances, track transaction history, and even stake certain cryptocurrencies to earn rewards. Trust Wallet also provides access to a wide range of decentralized applications, allowing you to interact with the broader Web3 ecosystem directly from your phone. Remember to check the description for a link to grab some Little Trees black ice and other great deals. It's a powerful tool for managing your digital wealth.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.